neon ombre, let me show you how to achieve this amazing look. You are gonna need some chrome pigments and a tip, and then some white gel polish 173. Apply it on the entire nail. I actually love the coverage of this white gel polish, and then give it a cure. When your tip is curing, we are gonna cut a small piece of the sponge. Usually I try to go for the size of an actual nail. Now, sponge is always full of fluff and other things, so make sure you do use a back of the form. So this is my nail form. And then the tweezer, so you can remove any fluff which might be on that sponge. Take a neon pigments and start applying them into the rainbow. So I've got some purple, rub this in, pink, orange. We are gonna go for a nice, beautiful rainbow. Yellow. Green. And a blue. And then once you've got it beautifully blend, we can grab our tip, so make sure it's cured 60 seconds, and then start transferring your mixture into the tip. So touch, 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 and you get a beautiful ombre. Look at those colors, so nice and pretty. Go to the bottom. Beautifully pigmented. Now we want to apply the top coat. And we are gonna use the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel, so we can wrap a beautiful chrome pigment over it. That will give us those amazing results. Make sure your top coat is applied really nice and smooth, because any kind of imperfections are gonna show in a chrome. Cure it. Once it's cured 60 seconds, take Aurora Chrome, touch it in, bring that chrome over your tip, and then start rubbing it in. Apply the top coat to protect everything, but look how pretty it is. I hope you have really enjoyed this short tutorial on an ombre. Bye!